Happy Friday! Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. I actually have got sent a package that I want to show you guys. Let me just put it onto the table and I'll give you guys a little taster of what is coming up today. I am actually going to be participating in a virtual cocktail masterclass, and I was sent all the ingredients and everything I need for this masterclass. I'm really excited to make these drinks. Let's open this box and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to be making today. I am going to be participating in a cocktail masterclass with BrewDog Distillery. I'm really excited. It's really sweet that they sent me this. But oh my gosh, guys, look at all this stuff I got. I mean, this is a massive bottle of gin that I just got sent. And then I also got sent Regal Rouge Bold Red. And I think these are what I'm going to be using for my little cocktail class. So this is pomegranate juice. They also sent me an orange with some cloves in it, as you guys can see, and a little bottle of Campari. Usually in December, I am invited to quite a few events, but because of this year and the special need to social distance, a lot of PR companies have been sending me things at home to do at home. But it's really nice because I'm going to be able to digitally participate in this event. I definitely have worked with Regal Rouge before, and I also have worked with BrewDog Distillery, but they did send me a different gin last time, so I'm really excited. Very kindly gifted to me. I'm really keen to make these cocktails, and I will catch you guys in a bit when I get to making these cocktails. So guys, I am sat here ready for my BrewDog and Regal Rouge cocktail class. I have a little bit of a setup of a shaker, some cocktail shot measures or just alcohol measures, knife, all the ingredients that were kindly sent to me, and then the directions. And I'm going to be watching it on my laptop because it is a live masterclass or mini cocktail masterclass. So I'm all set up and I'm ready to get started with my Friday. We are just waiting for the class to get started. So guys, you would have just seen me make this cocktail, which that was really fun, I have to say. It's really nice to change things up and try new things, obviously with being stuck at home. But it was also really nice that BrewDog and Regal Rouge did like a combined background on how they distill their gin and also their vermouth. So that was really nice and educational. Anyways, I have not actually tried this yet, and I'm going to try it for you guys on camera to tell you my first impression. And this is a Rogue Wolf Negroni. So it is a spin on the traditional Negroni, and it has, let me just tell you guys, I mean, you would have seen, it has the Regal Rouge Vermouth, and this is the red one. It has some Lone Wolf Gin, and it has a bit of Campari in there, and then some pomegranate juice, and a slice of orange to garnish, and then just some ice, and then stir it about, and then give it a little taste. So let's try this out. Oh, that is strong, but good. Oh my gosh. If you guys like Negronis, this is definitely a fun twist on the Negroni, and I would recommend checking out their Instagrams if you guys want to understand how to make this cocktail. I will link everything down in the description below for you guys if you guys do want to try out making this cocktail at home. Anyways, I'm going to enjoy my cocktail now, make some dinner, and I'll check in with you guys in a bit. So guys, I have some exciting news to share with you guys, and I wanted to bring out the champagne for it and then tell you guys about it. I just wanted to let you guys know that today I got my answer from the Home Office, which means I got my indefinite leave to remain visa. Yep, that's right, guys. I can stay here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I wish I recorded the moment that it actually happened, but I am still beaming. I am still so happy. If you guys have been following along on my vlogs throughout Vlogmas, but also before, you guys would have seen that I have been applying, going through the process of getting my indefinite leave to remain. And I won't go into the details of it, but as an American in London, after 5 years of living here on a visa, I can now live visa free. If you guys want to see any of the videos of my application process, about my visa, everything, I've documented it all, to be honest. I'm sharing it on YouTube, so I'll link the video up in the cards right now if you guys are interested in seeing that. But I wanted to take a moment to celebrate, guys. And I have not one, but 2 bottles of champagne. I actually had this baby bottle of champagne in the house, and then I went and bought a new one to pop today to celebrate with you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm screaming. My neighbors are probably gonna think I'm crazy. I remember when I was going on my walk this morning, I was just thinking, like, I'm grateful for the life I lead, and like any day now I will hear from the visa office. It was literally any day now. I remember saying last night to my mom that like I am going to hear back from the visa office. And guess what, guys? Today I heard back, and the reason why I'm just so excited about this is because for those of you guys that have been following me on Instagram for a while and know my entire story of an American abroad, I actually lived in Germany for 4.5 years before living in London, and then I moved to London for 5 years. So it has been 9 years of me living abroad, 9 whole years, and 9 years of me living on a visa, which is just crazy. When you are an expat and you live abroad, you are kind of chained to a visa, and you're kind of chained to your employer and what they say or don't say, or if they choose to sponsor you or not. It's all up to them. You just obviously have to work as hard as you can to maintain your visa. And anyways, after 9 years, I can now say I am visa free, and I am taking a moment to celebrate that, guys. So as I was saying, I was saving this bottle just to pop on this occasion, which is obviously a very big one. And look, it has a little pop top. I love it. It's a little mini bottle, but let's pop this bottle, guys. Let's celebrate all the good things, even though 2020 was tough, all the good things that 2020 has brought, and let's enjoy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Just remember to take time to celebrate, because honestly, I don't think I did it enough this year. So cheers to getting my indefinite leave to remain visa. Oh man, I'm always scared of popping champagne bottles. Oh, okay, cool. I got champagne all over the counter, but that's okay. Cheers, guys. Cheers to celebrating and remembering to enjoy every moment. So guys, the celebrations honestly aren't stopping today. I also bought this bottle of View to pop and enjoy and just, yeah, I don't know. I'm just so happy, guys. Honestly, I'm so happy. So happy. Okay, let's open another bottle. Let's pop this bottle. Woo! Cheers to me! Cheers to my visa! So guys, you know what time it is when Zizi is in the vlog. It means that we're ready to open our advent calendars. Yep, Zizi's so excited. She's wagging her tail really hard, even though she can't have any chocolate. I am still enjoying my champagne, guys. It is a great day. Zizi, your tail is all over the video. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm still enjoying my champagne because it is an amazing day and I'm going to continue to celebrate into the weekend. But I thought I would wrap up for today and just tell you guys to really appreciate the life you guys lead, appreciate every moment, celebrate every moment, and let's open advent calendars. So the easy advent calendar first, as always. Let's find day 11. Okay. Probably gonna be a chocolate ball. Yep, chocolate ball it is. Okay, now for the hardest advent calendar in the entire world, honestly. Okay, ready, go. 11, 11, 11, 11. Oh, found it! Oh my gosh. Sorry, Zizi, did I scare you? That was the fastest I've ever found anything on this. Oh no. It's not the chocolate I want. It's a Curly Whirly. I don't know. Why do people like Curly Whirlies? They're just not the chocolate I like. But I will enjoy this chocolate. I will enjoy my champagne. I will enjoy my Christmas tree. I will enjoy everything about this day because it is an amazing day. And I'm honestly just over the moon happy. So I hope you guys are having an amazing Friday wherever you are in the world. And if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube family. Like this video if you're enjoying Vlogmas, and comment down below of what you guys are really appreciating and what you guys are so happy about today. Anyways, I will catch you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye!